23-year-old Joshua Okoronko, a Nigerian medical student, was mere weeks away from completing medical school when the charge was slapped against him in July of 2018. Since then, the accused was held at Her Majesty's Prison before a not guilty verdict was delivered by a jury at the No. 1 High Court today. Attorney Derek Sylvester did brief members of the media on the outcome, but opted not to get into the facts surrounding the trial due to its sensitive nature.
I cannot get into the factual matrix or the circumstances touching and surrounding the case, even except to say that the jury, after listening to the evidence, 6 prosecution witnesses were called, 1 doctor, 3 police officers, the mother and the complainant, and the accused man gave evidence. He gave unsworn evidence, and the jurors returned a verdict of not guilty.
Sylvester said his client was not open for cross-examination after giving unsworn evidence.
He gave an unsworn statement, which he's entitled to do. He's duty-bound to either remain silent, give an unsworn statement, or give a sworn statement.
And in the case of unsworn statements, you are not open to cross-examination, is that correct?
That is the law. And you're also entitled to remain silent, because there's a presumption of innocence. When you're charged, you need not say anything. You could remain silent. The prosecution has a duty to prove its case.
The attorney also took objection to what he described as a discriminatory provision of the law, where the reasonable belief that the person is above age is not a consideration as a defense.
Because if you're 19 years or older, you cannot use the reasonable belief provision that you believe that this person was above the age of consent, which is, to my mind, is very unfair. Because a scenario, you went to a party, you meet a young lady, she told you that she's above age, you have sexual intercourse. It is not a defense that she told you she was above age for someone who is above the age of 19 or above. So I'm saying, to my mind, that the law should be changed in that area.
Now that Okoronko is exonerated from all charges, he's expected to complete medical school. Joseph McKee-Smith, GBN News.